Did you just yawn after seeing someone else yawn? That's not a coincidence. It's called contagious yawning. Humans aren't the only ones who do this. Dogs and chimpanzees can catch yawns too. When you see someone yawn, special mirror neurons in your brain activate, as if you are yawning yourself. This reaction helps people subconsciously sync with each other. That's why you're more likely to catch a yawn from friends or family than from strangers. Even thinking about yawning can trigger it. Your brain isn't being lazy. It's performing an ancient form of social connection. Please subscribe for more amazing facts.